Dear students, see the next one from 11th standard, Motion and Straight chapter, NCERT example problem number 3.9. Okay, it is a fantastic problem. Okay, it is a great chance to learn about the relative velocity in a different situation. Okay, see that the same instant. Okay, but we are going to calculate in different way. Okay, that instant is same. Okay, but with respect to the different person or with respect to the different object, how the relative velocity will be changed. Okay, let's see this question. See that it is everything. It is related with our practical life alone. Okay, so please listen. Two parallel rail tracks run north south. Okay, so here. Okay, two parallel rail tracks run north south. Okay, north to south. Here, train A moves with a speed of 54 km per hour. So, two railway tracks. In one track, the rail, that is a train A, its speed is 54 km per hour. Okay, and the train B moves south direction with a speed of 90 km per hour. Okay, so let's see this direction map: east, west, north, south. So in this question related with the north and south road. North and south road. Two railway tracks. It's a track 1, track 2. In the track 1, train A is moving. Okay, just you see this. So train A is moving. Train A is moving with direction, with towards to the north direction. Okay, so see that the train A moves north direction. So we know that this is north direction. So this is train A direction is north. Okay, so with the speed of 54 km per hour. So 54 km per hour, we should convert it into meter per second. So 54 km per hour, 54 into, then how to convert meter per second? Multiplication of 5 by 18. So here you know it is a one time, here you know 3 times. So 3 into 5, 15 meter per second. So the train A speed is 54 km per hour or 15 meter per second. Okay, yes, like that. Train B is moving towards south direction, with the speed of 90 km per hour. So train B 90 km per hour, it is converted into meter per second, multiplication of 5 by 80. Here one time, here you know 5 times. So 5 into 5, 25. So 90 km per hour or 25 meter per second. So that is the speed of the train B. Okay, this is the situation. In this situation, they will ask some question. So we discuss one by one. See the first question: velocity of train B with respect to train A. Okay, velocity of B with respect to A. Okay, so B velocity asking with respect to A. Okay, so you know already the relative velocity formula. See that velocity of train B with respect to A. So BB minus VA. So this is we can write commonly. Okay, velocity of B with respect to A. So BB minus VA. Whether it is same direction or opposite things, no need now. Now in the formula, no need now. Now let's come to that point. See that train A this direction and train B is opposite direction. Okay, so I can write VB, okay, minus, already in the question the derivation itself minus, but VA is opposite to VB direction. Okay, VA and VB is opposite. So I can write minus of minus VA. So on the next step, VB value, you know, VB value. What is the VB value? VB value is 25 meter per second. So 25 meter per second. Then this minus of, again minus Then velocity of train A is how much? 15 meter per second. So 15 meter per second. So 25 minus of minus plus and 15. 25 plus 15, that is 40 meter per second. So the relative velocity of train B with respect to train A is 40 meter per second. So what is this meaning? Suppose if you are sitting in train A, now you can observe the train B. You feel the velocity of train B is not 50 meter per second. You feel 40 meter per second because it is in opposite direction. Okay, right. Even velocity of train B with respect to A 40 meter per second, then velocity of train A with respect to B also 40 meter per second, because both will travel in opposite direction. Okay, so we must add that speed. Okay, right. So I hope the first question is over. So the velocity of train B with respect to A is, what is that? 40 meter per second. Okay, right. Second one, the velocity of ground with respect to B. Velocity of ground with respect to B. See, the without calculation I can say. Now, for example, now you are running. Now you are running 1 meter per second, for example. Okay, you know very well the ground is rest position. Okay, what you feel if you are moving 1 meter forward, at the same time the ground will move, you feel the ground will move 1 meter backward direction. So your speed only your ground speed. So like that, here the velocity of ground with respect to B, what is the velocity of B? 25. So ground speed also what will come? 25. Okay. Suppose if I am standing rest position, what is the velocity of ground? That is also rest. Suppose if I am moving the 20 km per hour, so the ground also 20 km per hour. So here the question is velocity of ground with respect to B. Actually B velocity was 25 meter per second, so that only we are going to calculate. See that, as per the procedure, velocity of ground with respect to B. So as a formula, how we can write? Velocity of ground minus velocity of B, like this. Okay, it's a formula. Here no need to, here I didn't mention whether it is moving opposite direction, like that. It's a common formula. Now let's see apply. Velocity of ground with respect to B is equal to velocity of ground as usual, then minus, if you are moving forward, the ground will moving backward. So you feel like that. So I can write minus of minus Vb. So Vg, that is ground velocity. Actually ground velocity, we are not comparing with anyone. The velocity of the ground is what? I mean, we are not comparing, means at rest position. Now we are also rest position. So velocity of ground is 0. Then minus, then one more minus, then velocity of B. Velocity of B, you know, that is 25. So 25. So minus of minus 25 plus 25. That's all. So no need to this much calculation. Easily you can calculate. But we need steps for that only, right? Okay. So main calculation it is possible to do. Okay. Right. So now the velocity of ground with respect to B is 25 meter per second. Okay. See that. Third one. Velocity of monkey running on the roof of train A. Okay. The train A மேல ஒரு monkey. அது வந்து என்ன பண்ணுதாமா? The velocity of monkey running on the roof of the train A, not inside the train. On the roof of the train. On the roof of the train A, against its motion. அப்ப train வந்து இப்படி போகுதுன்னா, train direction towards north means the monkey direction is towards south. Okay. So it is a train moving this direction, the monkey is moving this direction. This monkey is moving this direction. Okay, train towards north, but monkey is towards south. Okay, in this situation, see that it is a train moving this direction. Now it is a monkey. You know the train A speed is 50 meter per second, but monkey speed is given. See that we read the question fully. The velocity of the monkey running on the roof of the train A against its motion. Here very important point. With the velocity of 80 meter per second with respect to train A. Should be careful. It is not the velocity of monkey. It is the relative velocity of monkey with respect to train A. Okay. So, velocity of monkey with respect to train A is Vm minus Va. So, this is given as, that is velocity of monkey with respect to train A is given as 5 meter per second. But if you observe that I mentioned 5 meter minus 5. How? See that 80 meter per second, that is the relative velocity of the monkey with respect to the train A. Okay. So first we should convert it into meter per second. So 18 km per hour, convert it into meter per second. So 5 into 5 by 80, 18 cancel. So remaining 5 meter per second. Okay. Okay. It is not velocity of monkey. This is actually what? Velocity of monkey with respect to train A. Okay? Right. Now what asking? As observed by a man standing on the ground. Standing. Okay, it is the ground, for example, here ground. In the ground, one person is watching the monkey. Okay? One person watching the monkey. Okay. அப்ப இவருக்கு monkey-ஓட speed எப்படி இருக்குன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. One person is watching from the ground. What he feel the velocity of the monkey. Okay? But you know already what? Velocity of monkey with respect to train A, that is no 5 meter per second. இப்ப train-ஓட velocity அதிகமா இருக்குமா, monkey-ஓட velocity அதிகமா இருக்குமா? So absolutely you know the train velocity is more compared with the monkey. So here Vm minus Va is there. So that Vma, that is velocity of monkey with respect to train A, should be opposite to the train A. So I can write minus 5 meter per second. Should be careful. So Vma is equal to minus 5 meter per second. Clear? So Vma is equal to Vm minus Va. Now what we need actually, see that as observed by the man standing on the ground, what is the speed of the monkey? So Vm only we need. Therefore in this equation Vm is equal to, Vma is equal to Vm minus Va. V minus Va is moving this side plus Va. So I can write as Vma plus Va. What is Vma? Minus 5 then plus Va. What is the velocity of train A? Velocity of train A, you know, 15. So I can write 15. So minus 5 plus 15. Minus 5 plus 15 how much? That is 10 meter per second. So one person observed from the ground, he observed the velocity of the monkey is not 5 meter per second, that is 10 meter per second. Okay, should be careful in this idea. It is not velocity of monkey, this is velocity of monkey with respect to train A. Train A ஓட கம்பேர் பண்ணக்குள்ள monkey-ஓட velocity என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது இது. But velocity of monkey alone while we observing from the ground, that is 10 meter per second. Okay. Okay students, so now I hope you understood this question. Okay. It is a very interesting question related with the relative velocity. Okay. Thank you.